You will love the cut Texas limestone on the facade of this home. Look at this front porch that is large with its own swing bed. From the foyer, you will enter the living room with the upgraded fireplace of painted limestone that is floor to ceiling and a cedar mantel. The living room and dining room and kitchen all flow for easy evenings at home. This kitchen is upgraded with quartz counters, upgraded lighting, upgraded high-end appliances with a gas stove and a farmhouse sink, which overlooks the backyard. You have a large pantry. You have all the stainless appliances. When you step out to the backyard, you'll see that you have a fenced, large, flat backyard, a covered porch with shiplap ceiling, perfect for viewing the sunset. Stepping back into the house, you head to the hallway where there is a great built-in bench for a drop zone. The laundry is huge with its own sink, perfect for a wet bar. The master is at the back and features a grand shower and soaking tub, plus his and hers closets. The suite is grand and large with plenty of room for all of your furniture and all of your clothes.